Hi, this is Emily Starr. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to create an interactive whiteboard lesson in just 3 easy steps. So the first thing you do is open up your interactive whiteboard software. I'm choosing to use Mimeo Notebook, but you can use Smartboard, Promethean, Mnemonics, eInstruction, whatever interactive whiteboard software you have, and then navigate to the resource that you would like to use in your lesson. Here I've chosen a virtual pinboard because my lesson is going to be focusing on 2-dimensional shapes. Once you've navigated to your chosen resource, use your interactive whiteboard tool that allows you to take a screen capture or a screen clipping. In this case, with the Mimeo Notebook software, it's this little camera icon. Once I click that icon, it's going to allow me to select an area of the screen, and what I'm doing is just taking a picture or a snapshot of what that resource looks like. So really it's just taking a photograph, and it automatically drops that photograph into my interactive whiteboard software. The reason we've taken this photograph and dropped it into our interactive whiteboard software is so when I get to this point in my lesson, this photograph is going to refresh my memory of the website that we're going to go to and the resource that we're going to use. Step 2 is to hyperlink our screen capture to the actual online resource. And we do that by going back to our browser and navigating to the online resource we chose and highlighting that web address, copying that web address, that's Control-C on a PC or Command-C on a Mac, and then going back to the screen capture in our interactive whiteboard software. We're going to right-click on that screen capture and select Hyperlink, and then use Control-V on a PC or Command-V on a Mac to paste in that web address and click OK. And now when we navigate to this page in our interactive whiteboard software, we can see what the web resource was that we chose and then click on that web resource and it will take us straight to our online resource. So we're ready to teach our lesson. You can repeat those 3 steps of finding an interactive online resource, taking a screen capture, and hyperlinking a screen capture to create a series of online resources hyperlinked in your interactive whiteboard software to create an entire lesson. This is a lesson I created to work on 2D shapes with my students. The first activity was an introductory activity where we reviewed the attributes of different shapes. Then I moved on in my interactive whiteboard software to my next resource where we discussed the different attributes of shapes. Back to my interactive whiteboard software for the final 2 activities where we practiced identifying shapes. Your next question may be, where am I going to find all of these great interactive online resources to use to create my own lessons? I know you don't have time to go searching through the internet trying to find the perfect resources for every lesson you teach every day. So I'm going to help you find those resources really quickly and easily. Click the Lesson Creation Tools tab at the top of Starmatica's Facebook page, and that is going to take you to a page where you can enter your email to receive your free interactive whiteboard creation tools. That email will give you a username and password for access to a library of 3,800 kindergarten through 6th grade reading and math resources, just like those resources I used to create my 2D shapes lesson, to help you get started in creating your own interactive whiteboard lessons using those 3 steps. It is also going to include an ebook with the top 15 websites for finding interactive online content, also a ready-to-use lesson plan for teaching fractions and for teaching the alphabet, so that you can see how to sequence online resources in a logical way to create an interactive whiteboard lesson that's going to be engaging and effective for your students. That email will also contain my personal email address and phone number, so as you use these 3 easy steps and your free interactive whiteboard creation tools to create your own interactive whiteboard lessons, I will be there to answer questions and to help you every step of the way.